Dear Zimbabwe Defense Forces, you are a foolish and complicit military with zero clout to stop the plunder being paraded in broad daylight. You all deserve to be assassinated by Emerson and his Sparrow cabinet because you serve no purpose to the beleaguered country. Zisarembera mashoko message yansikunyogwa to the ZDF uchenzi ZDF yava marabish panguva ine kunyansukana kwakunzi the recent wedding panguva ine sezvamuri kuona in pictures mamillions nemamillions achiuya achibvisiwa nezvingananda, but kwaita some institutions and people that are starving. Don't forget to subscribe or like or turn the bell icon. Tona namatepekuza anouyawo zvekare anyora achiti when we say we are not truly poor but that our resources are being misused by the elite, we are speaking the truth. If we allow them to change the constitution without accountability, they'll continue to enjoy their luxurious lifestyles while ordinary Zimbabweans are left to struggle and live with beggars in their own homelands. We see these pictures. Tona kuti there are some also activists vanouya zvekare vanyora vachiti Zimbabweans are dying in hospitals without painkillers, cancer treatment, functioning scanners, or even basic medication, while politically connected elites exchange $20 million wedding gifts are like pocket change. We also see another post of Daniel Gachinzi, Tagurei Sisan's wedding gifts, a parade of public pay. Every donation, clinics unbuilt, medicines unbought, and pensions unpaid. This video is not just a display of wealth, but it is a window into how Zimbabwe's national resources are being captured and redistributed among a privileged few. The staggering sums being handed out, hundreds of thousands of US dollars, vehicles, land, and multi-million-dollar gifts, are not the product of transparent enterprise or broad-based economic growth. Let us be clear, this money does not come from innovation, industry, or transparent business. It comes from access to gold, fuel, foreign currency, and inflated state tenders. It is wealth extracted from public resources and recycled within a tight political and business elite. Toma developments alipo panguva ino. Pena comment section medu za kugura enyi mutu kudipa msoro pichitu kudishi. Musanga no subscribe or like, or turn on the bell icon.